What is good, YouTube? I am here with a jam-packed video just for you, filled with knowledge. And I wish that your hopes and dreams did not get crushed today due to this flash crash that we saw in the crypto market. And yes, we will be addressing just that, and I will tell you why this flash crash just happened, guys. So stay tuned, listen up, and get ready for this knowledge that's about to be dropped. Guys, multiple media outlets have covered this story because it is absolutely insane for cryptocurrency. According to Reuters, China bans financial payment institutions from cryptocurrency business. We're talking about the largest population in the world, the second biggest country in terms of GDP, with 12 trillion being that. This is absolutely insane for the cryptocurrency, and that we will go down and talk about a thesis that I have about this whole situation. But the crypto market, it's going crazy, and not the good type of crazy. Let me get a drum roll, please. Alrighty. So essentially what I believe is going to happen in the crypto market, this is short-term price action. As we saw earlier today, I woke up to my portfolio being absolutely hammered. I'm assuming some of you guys probably had the same experience. That's why you're on YouTube right now checking this out. But I think this is just short-term price action. It is kind of scary that China is laying the hammer down on cryptocurrency, knowing they're literally the country that mines the most Bitcoin, which is what we will get into. They're one of the countries that is a leader in mining Bitcoin. So this is short-term price action, but at the same time, this is bad for cryptocurrencies in general. I think it's short-term price action, guys. This is not financial advice. This could be a long-term downtrend that we're into, but just seeing some price action today, we've seen a little bit of recovery already, and I would not be surprised if we did recover, or if we kind of just sat around here for another week, 2 weeks, until we got some more news on cryptocurrencies, because this is absolutely insane, guys. I cannot stress this to you enough, guys. China does mine Bitcoin. They are the biggest Bitcoin miner in the world. Yet they come out and say that they are going to place these regulations and restrictions, not letting financial institutions sell and trade Bitcoin, which is very troublesome. In my opinion, they're putting on two faces. And I will tell you guys some companies in China that still mine Bitcoin. One of them is a publicly traded company here in the US. eBang is that company. There's Bitmain, and there's another one called Canaan Creative. These companies are still mining Bitcoin to this day. There has not been any news about these companies that have to not mine Bitcoin. If eBang were to stop mining Bitcoin, we would need to know, because that is a US publicly traded company. So investors would need to know if that were to happen, and not to mention that stock literally moves with Bitcoin. So guys, it's definitely going to be interesting how things play out in China with cryptocurrencies. It could go either way. The Chinese government is doing one thing, and they're setting out rules to do the complete opposite for its citizens. So this will definitely be something interesting to pay attention to, because I just think there's an issue here of just having the government and allowing companies to still mine the Bitcoin, but you're placing regulations on these big companies that can't do but so much with Bitcoin. So really, to me, it's like, how can it have value in China? Because you just can't use cryptocurrency there. Apparently, financial institutions, as I just stated, they can't use it there. So is this just to get leverage on other global countries? As always, guys, I hope I helped you out with anything, any questions or concerns that you had about the crypto market, because we are in for a wild ride, and this will be one of the wildest rides indeed. But keep going, guys, have fun, keep making money, and I hope you guys, and check you out on the next video.